Let's do this natural glam makeup tutorial. Some things to keep in mind: less is more. So we're going to be using a small amount of makeup, but focus on our technique. Let's start with some skincare, a serum, moisturizer, and eye cream to give ourselves a nice base for our makeup to glide onto. Let's brush all of our eyebrow hairs up and gently outline the bottom edge of the brow and fill it in. Let's use a primer underneath the eyes, on the eyelids, and a little on the forehead, and outline our brows with concealer. It's going to give you that snatched look. Let's blend with a fluffy brush, warm up some concealer on the back of our hands, dab it underneath our eyes, and blend. Let's set everything in place with translucent powder. Let's warm up the cheeks with blush, moving in circular motions upwards and outwards. Now let's take some blending brushes, a medium tone brown color, and use circular motions to blend that into the crease and along the waterline. I love the extra depth it gives, especially when we go in with a darker shade directly into the crease and blend. Let's take a dense shadow brush, a light tan color, and pat that onto the ball of our eye. Blend it out to keep that shadow looking seamless. Let's take a gold shimmer in the tear duct and along the brow bone for some extra highlight. You gotta blend that out, of course. Next, we'll do an eyeliner. Take some on the top of the lash line, then use the finger to swipe up and give you a nice wing. Let's run that along our waterline for a slight pop. Let's go over it with a dark brown. It's gonna set that Kohl liner in place. Now for lashes, feel free to play around with layering different types. I like how it can add on to the look and give you two completely different styles. Ta-da! We love that instant glow. Now we'll go in with some cocoa butter Vaseline to moisturize the lips. A cute gloss. I'm loving this Buxom Cosmetics lip plumping cream. Set everything in place with a finishing spray, and let's get dressed. Though we are looking gorgeous, let's remember our beauty should not come from outward adornment. Instead, it's of the inner self, the unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my page for more.